So we're here at the blockchain hackathon for the event, the biggest blockchain hackathon in the world. My team's part of the machine-to-machine economy track, where we try to build blockchain applications for the world of tomorrow and beyond. Yeah, it's really exciting to work on such innovative projects and think outside the box, if that makes sense. Everything's completely changed. We've thrown everything, well, not everything. We've stick to the same machine-to-machine idea, where we have 3D prints that are autonomous and that can talk to each other and can talk to delivery agents as well, drones for example. But we've now taken it one step further. We've taken it to charity. So the idea now is that you give money to charity and then you say, we want this money to go to schooling in Africa, for example. And then say there's a disaster, say an earthquake in Africa, and they need a school, then they send a 3D print when they print the school with your money, and then you see that your money's gone directly to that school. So you can, it's very transparent and you see where your money's gone directly. And the ecosystem is the same, but it's a completely different application.